In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set indents and line spacing in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating a professional presentation, a school project, or a business pitch, clean formatting makes a huge difference in how your slides look and how clearly your message is delivered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control indentation, adjust alignment using the ruler, and customize line spacing to make your slides look polished and organized. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to format your text. Click inside a text box or select the specific text you want to modify. Indentation in PowerPoint is especially useful when you're working with bullet points and want to create subpoints or adjust the structure of your content. To quickly increase the indent level and create a subpoint, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. You'll notice the text moves slightly to the right, becoming a lower-level bullet point. This is perfect for organizing main ideas and supporting details. If you want to reduce the indent level, go to the Home tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the paragraph group, click on the Decrease Indent button. This will move your selected text back toward the left and raise it to a higher bullet level. You can click this multiple times depending on how far you want to move the text. To increase the indent again using the ribbon, click on the Increase Indent button in the same paragraph group under the Home tab. This gives you another way to control indentation without using the keyboard. Adjust the indentation as required until your bullet points are structured exactly the way you want them. Now let's take it a step further by enabling the ruler for more precise control. Click on the View tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the Show group, check the box labeled Ruler. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a horizontal ruler appear above your slide workspace. The ruler allows you to manually adjust text alignment and indentation using the markers. You'll notice small sliders on the ruler. The top marker controls the position of the first line of text, while the bottom marker controls the hanging indent for the rest of the paragraph. If you're working with bullet points, this is especially useful for fine-tuning how your bullets and text align. Click and drag these ruler markers, left or right, to adjust the indentation visually. This gives you more detailed control compared to just using the Increase or Decrease Indent buttons. Take a moment to experiment and position your text exactly where you want it. Next, let's adjust line spacing to improve readability. Proper line spacing makes your slides look less crowded and more professional. Click on the Home tab again and select the text you want to modify. In the paragraph group, click on the Line Spacing button. A drop-down menu will appear with different spacing options. You can choose standard options like 1.0, 1.5, or 2.0, depending on how much space you want between lines. If your slide feels too packed, increasing the spacing can make it much easier for your audience to read. Select the spacing option that works best for your content. You'll immediately see the change applied to your selected text. Combine proper indentation with clean line spacing, and your slides will instantly look more organized and professional. And that's it. You now know how to set indents, use the ruler for precise alignment, and adjust line spacing in PowerPoint. These simple formatting tools can dramatically improve the clarity and visual appeal of your presentations. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.